Hey guys, I'm back. I'm sorry it's been a while. It has been holy crap crazy. I can't believe we're actually in April. Or wait, no. We're 1 week from April. Time is just flying by. I went away after Christmas. I went away on course. Came home and it has just been insane. I'm about to take some leave, some holidays, and we're going to visit my spouse's family out on the East Coast. So we're going to be doing a road trip soon. And for my birthday, Kevin got me a two-way dash cam. So we're going to install it today, because we're leaving in 2 days for a road trip. So, this is a little dash cam. I do have like the backup camera and actually a front bumper camera for when like you're parking and stuff on this vehicle, but this will be a recorded dash cam. So it's got SD card and it records what's in front of you, as well as there's a second camera to record in the vehicle. So this comes in handy two ways. I kind of wish I had it like 20 years ago for one of the accidents I was in. There's a snowstorm, things were crazy. Hell, even the cops taking me back to the hospital to meet my boyfriend at the time, they went off the road. So it was just crazy a mess. And I wish I had a dash cam to prove what I was saying about how I was driving and the conditions and everything. So, but anyways, so these days you gotta cover your butt. And if it's not recorded, didn't happen. You know, it doesn't matter what you say. If you have recording, then, you know, you're safe, you're covered. So, records, you know, the road in front of us, as well as what's happening in the cab. But also this works for if I want to make a video while I'm driving, you know, just talking while I'm driving, then I don't have to worry about doing hands-free or anything. It's just going to automatically record. And then if something happens, you know, driving, we see a moose, I don't have to worry about, oh my god, get the camera out, don't miss it. It's just gonna be there. So hopefully we'll see some wildlife on our trip. Not this one, maybe another one. But, you know, Kevin and I like to play games while we're driving on long trips. Well, I like to play like car games, you know, 30 questions and just kind of stuff like that to pass the time, and sometimes they're pretty funny. So some of those might show up in videos. But so we're going to install it, and it seems like it's pretty easy. So I've connected the suction cup. Take off the wrapper. And then I guess we just kind of put it up. So I've got it up there. Maybe I want this behind that. So until I get it really set up, I'm just going to leave it the cord dangling. Eventually I'll run it, but let's put this down in the plug. And it just came on. Oh, cool. Alrighty. Where is it? There it is. Here, let me turn it around. All right, so you can see in front my backyard, and up in the corner is me. So yeah, we want enough room. It sees me and the passenger. Awesome. And just like that, I think that was like the easiest install ever of anything. I just stick it with the suction cup and plug in. So now I just have to run the wires and that's it. Holy crap, that was so simple. I thought there'd be more to it, but it's flashing like it's recording. Oh, this is cool. So this is the Millerong 25X front and rear facing camera. So I can't wait to go on this trip. It's just kind of a short one. We're going halfway across the country, there and back in like 5 days. We're going to be driving out there Thursday, Friday, getting there Friday, which is Good Friday, Easter, spending the weekend with them, with family, and then coming back Monday, Tuesday. Short trip, but I can't wait. And I can't wait to play more video and see what happens with our dash cam. So what I'm doing is I installed the dash cam. The van was in passenger mode where the 3 seats were going across, you know, the way they're supposed to when you're driving. When the seats are here against the window, cannot legally have anybody sitting in these seats. But on this road trip that we're taking, it's just Kevin and I, the two of us, and we will be camping out. So this provides so much more leg room. So I can't wait to get our swivel seats. I don't know when they're coming, but swivel seat, seating area, and then, you know, just kind of area in front. Down there's a bit of a mess at the moment. I will be cleaning that out. You know, toilet, Blue Eddy power station, and then behind here is the bedroom. Right now it's just got blankets, pillows and blankets and warm stuff. I always keep pillows and blankets and warm stuff here just in case we get stopped anywhere and, you know, need a nap or have to hang out or it's cold or, you know. So I have lots of room here. I can spin. And I'm looking forward to going camping. So I'm going to put you down for a sec and just move a few things around to give you a better idea. Okay, so I am down under the bed. This is kind of the garage or extra hangout area. I've got a bin here that has the projector, tarps, tools, extra pieces for the diesel heater over there. Just kind of, it's also got some food, just some kind of emergency type snacks and stuff. It's got a jet boil, it's got some water bottles, kind of like, you know, your emergency box. And then, so like I said, we've got the diesel heater over there. It's down right now, just unhooked. when we are actually going to be using it, it'll be up off of, you know, this cushion area, and we'll show you that shortly. Another bin. It's got some games, some tarps, and just some other little doodads. Blue Eddy for power. Some power outlets. Yeah, so this is the down here area. It's actually kind of cozy because this is like 3 inches of memory foam on top of more of this 2-inch foam insulation. So yeah, it's warm and comfy down here. Toilet, little cassette toilet, number ones only. We put on the bench seat there, so you know, crawl out of bed and you gotta go, because when you gotta go, you gotta go. And then, like I said, this is the bed area. We've got a nice 12-inch memory foam queen size mattress. Open these curtains. Like I said, lots of blankets and stuff. Give me a sec, I'll climb up. So I am up on the bed. You know, I've got a fuzzy ceiling. Still lots of room up there. So lots of warning of hitting the fuzz before you actually hit your head. I do gotta retape this up. I did put it up when it was kind of cold out. I was in a rush. Couldn't wait for warmer weather, so it didn't stick so well, but yeah, I gotta restick that. Oh well. But yeah. Lots of room. Like my feet are to the end, but I can still stretch my hands out all the way. So there's lots of room. Like I said, I can stretch my hand all the way up, and lots of room there. Got blackout curtains, which are white on the inside, which works perfect for our projector. And it can either be on that side or this side. And yeah. So that's it. That's kind of a bit of a van tour. I'm so looking forward now to our trip. Now, I have slept in the bed there a couple times already by myself. This will be the first since like the first week we got the van that it'll be Kevin and myself in here. So, and the first time he will have slept in here with the diesel heater going. So I am so looking forward to our little trip. And then I'm hoping that in the near future, I can get a fan, a rooftop fan to do the top there. So we'll see you soon. Bye.